Well, there's not a lot going on in the garage again today. We're waiting on parts so I can finish putting the rear suspension and differential in. Seemed I neglected to order a differential mounting kit when I was making my big orders. So that should be here probably tomorrow. So the day consisted of more sandblasting. Yay! I sandblasted all the bumper brackets, primered them, and we'll also paint those in Eastwood's underhood black. But we ran out of that too, and that's on order. So I'm just doing little odd jobs, waiting for parts to get here. I put the front splitter on, ran the hard lines to the brakes. So that's kind of going to be it, I think, for today. Yeah. Later.